In my hands now I have a part of brain of Russian launch rocket system Tornado S. Despite the fact it's a Russian system, that black spots here is made in America. And that chip here, made in Switzerland. That white mark means that Russian security service have checked it.
Exactly the same electronics is used in all Russian rocket launchers.
If it were not for foreign parts in the electronic components of artillery and rocketry, Russian troops would hardly have been able to carry out such large-scale terrorist acts against the civilian population of Ukraine. Almost all electronics in Russian technology is imported. Our studies have shown that the Russian military-industrial complex is not capable of manufacturing anything more complicated than resistors, transistors, matrices and resonators.
Despite regular presentations of allegedly unparalleled technology, Moscow in fact did not invest in high military technologies. According to experts, if you pull out everything foreign from Russian weapons, only the hull and shells will remain.
This is a typical digital GPS signal receiver, which is installed on almost all armored objects of the Russian Federation, including the artillery. From the Russian here, only the body. Thanks to the receiver, the crew accurately and quickly determines their coordinates and transmits them to automated control and guidance systems. That is, the accuracy of fire and the speed of targeting are increased due to such a small block.
The main electronics producing countries are the United States, South Korea and Switzerland. Contrary to the position of the governments of these countries, the products of such companies as Texas Instruments and SMT Microelectronics end up in Russia. In many cases, Moscow obtains electronics through home appliance procurement schemes. It is dismantled and the chips are used for military purposes.
They were smuggling drugs across the border yesterday. Today they carry electrical circuits. All these microcircuits are not even for military use. These are all simple civilian technologies that they use very successfully in military production. If these were direct military components, they would simply not be purchased. And so they are bought literally through AliExpress.
Thanks to Western sanctions, the ability to produce modern components for military equipment in Russia has been greatly reduced. However, they did not completely disappear. Only a total ban on the import of any electronics into the Federation can correct this. Reported by Roman Smoler, Danilo Kobza, UATV News.